Sweet.Dumpling. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking shows. Amazing guys today in the kitchen. Anyway, first of all, I want to show you exactly what's going to go on right here. I want to say I'm going to use some Jamaican Valley all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to cook up some corned beef, serve it with some rice. So this is a Jamaican all-purpose season, Jamaican Valley all-purpose season. We got some pepper, hot Jamaican pepper. This is the corned beef right here, which you can see looking lovely and nice, make you guys can see. Right there, that's the corned beef. Let's put this one side. We got 3 carrots, we got fresh thyme, and also spring onion, tomato, and all of these ingredients. I'm going to be cutting them up right now. Alright, so first thing what I'm going to do for my fans is to show them that you can grate a carrot and use it in your corned beef. So I'm going to be grating. This is 3 medium-sized carrots. Three medium-sized carrot. That's what I'm going to be grating. Alright guys, so just look at this. This is going to be a new recipe for the fans. Alright, that's the carrot already. So we grated the carrot. And what we're going to do, we're going to cut up 1 medium-sized tomato. Medium-sized tomato. And then we're going to good to go. Alright, nice and lovely. Half of a white onion. And then we're going to put some yellow pepper. I'm gonna be using a medium-sized pepper. Spring onion. And also Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Straight in it. Also we're gonna put a piece of fresh thyme. Also. Alright guys. So nice. So I just finished cut up all of my vegetables and seasoned carrot, everything, and ready to fry off these. And now we're gonna show you how to fry them off. Alright guys, so take a good look at this now, how we're gonna fry off all of our vegetable. In the meantime, what you need to do is light your stove and make your pot start to get hot. That's the most important bit. Alright, so let's go into business guys. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're going to do is pop roughly about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil. Then we're going to pop in our vegetable. I'm going to leave the carrot for last. Yeah, that's looking good. So what we're going to do now is get the corned beef. Break up the corned beef inside of it. Alright, see that? After you break up that corned beef, what you're going to do is get a teaspoon, get some of the Jamaican Valley all-purpose seasoning. Look at it like this, just a little teaspoon. Bring in a lovely flavor of the corned beef. See that? Look how that looks. Not only that, we're going to put the nice lovely Jamaican carrot, which we just breaded, inside of it. Give this a try at home, guys. Corned beef and carrot. Wicked recipe. Good. One that should cook down for about 5 to 6 minutes. So nice and lovely. So basically, this is finished now. I just have it on a medium size heat. So what we're going to do is going to shear it out and make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Nice and lovely. So it is right here. Corned beef, rice, dumpling and salad at the side of a piece of plantain, ripe cooked plantain. Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe, leave your comments below. We got a lot more recipe like this will be coming out for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.